right, the first pillar is what I call being deal ready. Most investors skip this step, and it's why they struggle to find deals, to talk to brokers, or raise capital. And they show up without the right team, the right language, or the confidence to make any offers, and they never really get any traction. So we're going to fix that in this video. I'm going to walk you through exactly what it means to be deal ready, what to do before you start talking with brokers or investors. And if you follow what I'm going to teach you in this video, you're going to position yourself so brokers and investors take you seriously from day one. Let's get into it. Remember that in order to do your first large multifamily deal, you might have to unlearn a few things that you thought you knew about investing and use our new scaling mindset to do things differently. So in order to frame our discussion today about how to do our first large multifamily deal, we're going to talk about the 4 pillars of scaling success, the 4 strategies to pay attention to if you want to be successful with multifamily syndications. Now, there are other things involved besides these 4, okay? But these are the most important ones that if you focus on these, you're going to be successful. The first one is going to be deal ready. That's the first one in your workbook is deal ready. And that is you got to build your team and you got to use the right language and you build some skill, and that gives you some confidence to speak with brokers and investors. We're going to talk about that first. The second pillar is deal analysis. Learn how to analyze deals quickly. That's important. Also accurately. That's also important so that you can speak with brokers confidently and make offers. The good news is it's actually easy to learn. And we're going to talk about why that is in a second. We're going to talk about deal flow, and you want to pick, of course, you got to look for deals in the right place. And we're going to talk about the places that you're probably likely to look like where I did it, and you're not going to find deals. And we're going to talk about how to actually look for deals where you actually get access to off-market deals where no one else is looking. And the fourth one we're going to spend the most of the time is about deal capital, right? We're going to talk about raising capital, but you don't need to raise all the capital yourself. We talked about that in the previous training as well. It's really a game changer. So let's get into each of these pillars here in more detail. Get ready to take some notes. There's a lot of stuff coming at you here. Pillar number 1 is deal ready. Now, this involves some prep work. Most new investors with a single family house investing mindset skip this step and they struggle. They don't know how to find deals or how to analyze them or how to get the brokers to take them seriously or how to raise capital and talk with investors. And as a result, because they skip this step, they never do a deal and fail to scale. That's not going to happen to us because as we learned in part 2, the key to scaling is to build a team. That is the second point in your workbook is to build a team. And becoming deal ready is about doing some upfront work before you start working with brokers and investors. And that key is to build that team. Now, we already covered that in a previous training. So if you haven't watched that training, then here's a super quick summary. So in the first pillar, deal ready, in order to become what I call deal ready, you recruit your scaling team, which can consist of your spouse, right? Get him or her on board. It makes everything easier and more enjoyable if you're on the same page about your journey to financial freedom. Number 2 is build your team of professionals, primarily your property manager and your lender, because this allows you to leverage their track record. When you speak to people and investors or brokers and you talk about your experienced team, no one cares that you've never done an apartment deal before because your team has done dozens of them. You can also use them for due diligence and analyzing deals and a lot of other things. So you got to build a team of professionals. Number 2, you got to find the right partner. Partnering is a thing. It's not like an unusual thing. It's a common thing. And you need to partner for deal flow and for capital. And you got to build an advisory board around you. You got to work with people who are more experienced. And so that way, if you do that, you can scale faster and avoid big mistakes. Now, with this team in place, you now have the right support, right? Your spouse supports you on your journey to financial freedom. Your team of professionals, you can lean on them throughout the process to leverage your track record. You have advisors to keep you on track, to lean on when you have questions. Now, this step is important because most investors who want to scale skip this step and they struggle. Now, we're not going to make this mistake, okay? And as you'll see, as we get through the other pillars, you need your team in order to be successful. Now, the good news is that this process doesn't take months or years. You can recruit your team in just like 30 days. Just follow the process we talked about in a previous part of our training. All right, so that's pillar number 1, deal ready. Now you know kind of how to build your right team to help you avoid that trap, and it's the foundation because without it, brokers aren't going to take you seriously, and you won't be able to raise capital either. Now, once you have your team in place, the next step is to learn how to analyze deals fast and confidently and accurately. And that's what we're going to cover in the next video. I'm going to walk you through how to create financial projections without guessing at the numbers. So go ahead and start that next video here right after that. And if you're already thinking, hey, my gosh, I'm ready to get going here, but I surely could use some help to get into the game, feel free to schedule a call with us and explore what it would look like working with us as well. All right, let's get into the video here about analysis.